I was just excited to see what the third floor looked like. It's new and I really like it. I like what they've done. It's really nice up here. I think it's a really cool space that we get to be in. Now you come up here and it's like new and different. I like how there's a bunch of windows. I like how the view is just like really nice. Look outside and you can see the nice view, and you can get some nice sunlight.
This is my 30th year of teaching, and I've been in Liberty for over 20. And I've taught in a lot of buildings in Liberty. Heritage feels like a comfy pair of jeans. I mean, it's home, so it's just a wonderful place that embraces staff, students, and change, which is what we're enjoying today with our renovation.
Keeping the history here, making it feel the same, but a little refreshed. The colors or the wood finish around the doors or in the hallways, those were all details that were thought out, even the archway, just giving it that feel of that old school building that it was.
This renovation and what this building has undergone to bring it up to date is truly phenomenal.
The joy comes in just the faces of our kids, right? And being able to reap the benefit of the work that our community has done, that our district has done, and being able to go a year, or some kids 2 years of sacrificing their middle school life of how things work here and finally get to see the payoff for that, I think is kind of the coolest thing. Without obviously the bond issue and just the support of the community and just the patience that our parents and our families have provided throughout the process, none of this could have came true. And so we are extremely grateful, extremely blessed for all of those parties to just be a part of our family here at Heritage.